G'day everyone, it's Curtis here. I'm here at Team Moto Kawasaki here in Bowen Hills. I'm here to check out my new Gen 3 KLR650. It's still in the crate, but I thought I'd check it out before they put it all together because I'm excited. I want to see how it looks and how it all works. I'm probably not going to be able to film them putting it together, but that's cool. I'm happy for them to do it all, and I'll pick it up in the coming days. But yeah, let's go check it out. I wonder if this KTM runs, unlike mine. I'll spot it over here. Old one. New one. Alright, here we are. Here is the KLR in its crate still. Let's see how we go. It's a massive box. You're going to need 2 sets of hands. No, it's alright. I'll put this down. Alright, well here it is unboxed. It's pretty cool how they do it all. The dealer principal will just explain to me how it's all packaged and how everything works, so I'll explain that. It's very clever, and basically they've done it all to minimize size of the packaging. It's very cool, and then they literally roll it out basically. Got the battery with the warning sticker on it here, which is pretty cool. Debating whether to put a lithium in it, we'll see how we go. This is all covered on the front. This is all covered so it doesn't get scratched. Got the clutch cable here. All the stuff for the handlebars goes here. You got your clutch, brake levers, throttle cable, and everything there. It's all covered so it doesn't get scratched. This is just to suspend the bike up here. Bit of cardboard so it doesn't sag. Here's a box of everything. We got the front guard and other leftovers and stuff. What else we got back here? We've got the front tyre. Probably going to change that eventually. It's not a lot of off-road bias, but that's fine. The rear is similar. We'll see how we go. Come around this side. Really solid back plate on that. Come around this side. New front LED light in these. This is cool. Will pointed this out. The front brake pads are spaced apart by a bit of cardboard so it doesn't ruin them. Very cool, or they don't rattle together and stuff. In this one, I believe this is the hand guards. It's very light. Yeah, it's very light, but they're basically going to be bin worthy, I think. Can't really see them this side. Another thing they do is, I'll show you here, it's actually bolted to the head stem and that, so it's suspended down so it doesn't put any pressure on the suspension, and it's also bolted down here. You can probably see it. Yeah, that is not going anywhere. Everyone's walking past probably thinking, who's this weirdo talking about a bike and a camera? That's cool. This is the colour I went with, everyone. The khaki, I believe they call it. Sand, I don't know, camouflage. I thought it looked more utilitarian, more adventure bike. That's why I wanted to get it. The adventure bikes spec KLR comes with all the gear on it. You got your racks, your panniers, USB ports and everything, and it is a much better deal. I priced it up, and to get all those items individually I think is $2,200. So this is a much better it's a much better deal, but I want to install all that stuff myself, and you can't really do that if it's already installed, right? So oh, what do we got there? Zip tie. So I'm going to put on the things I want. I want a USB port to charge your phone or GPS. I want some crash protection. I didn't want the pannier racks in the back. I didn't want the lights either. So what I'll probably do is put on a proper bash plate underneath. It's got this plastic one on. Solid enough, but I want something around here a bit more. And I might install the factory USB port myself, and the other side I will do my own 12-volt power or something like that. So anyways, enough rambling about the bike. I'm gonna go upstairs, have a look at a couple of assembled ones, and pay for the bastard so I can ride it out in a couple of days. But yeah, this is it, everyone. This is the KLR. Very cool. It's really neat. I like how it looks. It's cool. You see the battery is disassembled. and everything. Engine looks exactly the same as my 2001 model that I had, just with EFI. Funny that, but that's not a bad thing. You know what you're going to get with the KLR. They just go forever as long as you look after them. All right, well that's it from me. I'm going to go upstairs and have a look at some other bikes. Here's one put together. Ah, look what we've got here, little Royal Enfields. They're pretty cool. I like this one. Definitely a simple bike, eh? Trek TRK. Jeez, they're a big bike, aren't they? They are really big for a 500. They're well kitted out though. More of a big street touring bike. Alright, that's it for me. I've had a look at my bike. Very cool in the box. It's interesting to see how they do it all. It's obviously very thought out and clever. I've already got a list of ideas I want to do for mods. That's it. I'm going to go see my new baby. Very exciting. And pick up the KLR in a couple of days once all that's all calmed down. Oh yeah, if you want more KLR content, I'll be doing a shite load. Going to be modding the bike. Going to do a proper owner reviews of the bike, and also like how much servicing costs and what servicing you should be doing, intervals, and I've got heaps of ideas, so make sure you subscribe to check them out. All right, I'm getting in my car, gotta go. Catch us later, everyone.